The state BJP is gearing up to raise the pending issues of a state like the ILP and inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule, with Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who is scheduled to arrive on Thursday. Informing this, state BJP spokesperson M. Kharkarang said that an appointment is being sought and the party is also meeting up in the evening to discuss and finalize what other issues are to be discussed with the Union Home Minister.
Issues, of course, ILP is one of the issues that we are taking up, and other issues we'll be discussing later in the party office. Our Honourable Minister, he's seeking an appointment, and we will definitely take up some matters of concern in the state which has been pending for quite some time, and we do hope that we get an appointment.